This is Dauntless Podcast. Get ready for an awesome episode. When we talk about content marketing in this context, in the context of a small business owner trying to maximize his advertising budget, we're talking about content marketing with the end of driving results for the business, okay? Using content marketing to drive results for the business. And when you're using content marketing to drive results for a business, you have to spend more time working on the creative, because the creative now is the king. You need to do a lot of things, and I'll just run through them. One of the things is you need to define the brand positioning. What does the brand stand for? What is the brand about? What do they sell? Number 2, you need to decide what the outcomes are. What are the business objectives for the social media campaign, the content marketing you're doing? What is the objective? Do you want to create awareness? Do you want to sell products? Do you want to have your target audience know you or connect with you? What are the objectives? When you've gotten these 2 done, the next thing is to come up with your customer segmentation. Now, Gary Vee recommends you do 45, and just before recording this podcast, I actually sat down to do some business for a client of mine, and I was able to generate about 16 customer segmentation, and it's entirely around men. Okay, so Gary Vee recommends doing 45. Okay, now you've done the 45 for your business, you split it down to 45 different categories. Men under the ages of 30 to 35 who are career people who work in C-suites or in Fortune 500 companies located in Lagos or Abuja, or women who are 20 to 25 who are still in school, who love entertainment, who love fashion, and have this affinity for big luxury brands. Okay, you splice them down into segments, and then you now start looking at the segments, looking at the content. How do you create a message that speaks to people who are in these segments? Okay, the next thing in utilizing content marketing is the context of the content marketing you're doing. What is the context you're doing the marketing in? For example, let's say you are a fashion brand. Your brand positioning is you sell quality products at affordable prices. Then what is the objective? You want to sell to students who are in university, who are from maybe rich homes, and have an acquired taste for luxury, an acquired taste for looking good. So that is the context. Now you can now sit down and create a creative around this group of people, young male, female, under 25, 20, 25, who are on campus, who are fashion sensitive, who are from a wealthy background. Okay, and you can now key these people as your customer segment. Okay, then you now look at the content. Now, what platforms are you currently using? What platforms and what formats do these people vibe to? Okay, I don't need to tell you that if you are living in this day and age and you're selling anything online, if you're not on TikTok, you are wrong and you will miss out. You need to consider the platforms they are on. So basically you need to decide the platforms, and then you need to look at what type of culture do these people vibe to. Okay, one of the themes among people in the 20 to 25 age right now in Nigeria is the crypto wave, okay, the NFT wave, the Web3 wave, the blockchain wave.